Say, welcome to our pumpkin patch.
Welcome to our pumpkin patch.
Do you remember coming out here with Mama and moving all the pipe?
Yeah.
Remember? We would move it up and back and forth and down and, right?
We picked some pumpkins.
Very good. But then, look what it's turned into. Look at how many pumpkins do you see out there? Look at what this patch turned into. There's so many, right? Look at all these pumpkins. So many pumpkins. Big pumpkins. Look at how big this one is. It's almost bigger than you. This is the Hentze family farm pumpkin patch.